Circles. Circle. A circle is a two-dimensional closed shape that has a curved side whose ends meet to form a round shape. The circle will fall into the category of 2D shapes. Cool fact, the word circle is derived from the Latin word circulus, which means a small ring. Just a cool fact. There are many parts of a circle that we should know to understand its properties. Here are a few important parts of a circle: circumference, the radius of a circle, diameter, and chord. Circumference. The circumference of a circle is also referred to as the perimeter of a circle. Be defined as the length of the boundary, the distance around the circle, such like this. So the distance around a circle is called its circumference. And you can find the circumference for different shapes that are shaped like a circle, different things. Like for instance, although a ball is a 3D shape, you can still measure the circumference around it. Or say a wheel of a car or bicycle. So there we go. The arrows went around and around and around, showing you that is the circumference of the circle. Center. The center is a fixed point in the middle of a circle. Radius. The radius of a circle is a distance from the center of a circle to any point on its boundary. A circle has an infinite number of radii. One radius, more than one radii. So this is the center. So when you see you draw a line from the center and touch any part of a circle on a boundary there, that's the radius. And as you go up to higher grades, you'll realize why you have to know the radius, because you could find out different measurements of the circle using the radius and other things. Now, as I said, you can measure from the center to any part of the circle on the edge, and that can be more radii, more than one. Diameter. The diameter of a circle is a straight line passing through the center that connects 2 points on the boundary of a circle. In a circle, there can be multiple diameters, but they should pass through the center, like this. But it must be a straight line. Look at this. So from one end of the boundary through the center to the other side, straight line, that's a diameter. So they say you must touch the boundary of the circle at 2 points which lie opposite to each other. Showing more diameters in a circle. The chord of a circle. The chord is any line segment touching the circle at 2 different points on its boundary. The longest chord in a circle is a diameter. It's diameter which passes through the center and divides it into 2 equal parts. Alright? So this line here is touching this part of the boundary, going to the other part of the boundary there. But this one doesn't pass through the center, does it? No, it doesn't. That's why it's called a chord. But even if it passes through the center of the circle, it's also a chord also. It's the longest chord. Alright? Don't get confused. So we run through the parts of the circle. Let's recap one more time. This is wrong, it's called a circumference. But then we have our center. Then we have our diameter, our radius, and last but not least, the chord. This is just a diagram of the parts of the circle which you will learn at higher grades.